You ran BeautifulSoup on a page. It returned nothing.
Not because you wrote it wrong. Because the data only exists after JavaScript runs. BeautifulSoup reads static HTML. Cannot run JavaScript.
Selenium drives a real browser and reads what JavaScript renders.
I am Mahaz. Episode 53 Web Scraping with Selenium.
The entire web is now yours.
The web has two kinds of pages. Static pages, the HTML holds the data when it arrives. BeautifulSoup reads those perfectly.
Dynamic pages, the HTML arrives mostly empty.
JavaScript runs in the browser and fills in the data after. Selenium launches Chrome, waits for JavaScript to finish, then reads.
EP52 plus EP53 covers every single page on the web.
Setup is 3 lines. Install Selenium and WebDriver Manager. From Selenium import WebDriver. From selenium.webdriver.chrome.service import service. From WebDriver_manager.chrome import ChromeDriver Manager. Driver equals WebDriver.chrome with service of ChromeDriver Manager.
That launches a real Chrome window controlled by Python.
Driver.get of a URL navigates to any page. To interact with a page, you first find its elements. Driver.find_element takes a locator strategy. By .css_selector works exactly like BeautifulSoup.
By .id finds an element by its ID attribute directly.
By .XPath gives you the most powerful but verbose option. Find_elements plural returns a list of all matches.
Start with CSS selector, it covers 90% of cases.
Once you have an element, you can interact with it.
Element.click clicks a button, link, or checkbox.
Element.send_keys types text into an input field. Element.clear clears an input field before typing. Driver.execute_script runs raw JavaScript if needed.
These 4 let you automate anything a human can do in a browser.
Login forms, search boxes, drop-downs, pagination buttons. 30 seconds before we build something that actually logs in. 53 episodes. You have learned a lot. This channel stays free because subscribers tell the algorithm it matters. The AI series is 19 episodes away.
1 tap, 2 seconds. Tap subscribe now.
Live build, let us go. Live build, automate a login and scrape a protected page. Step 1, driver.get to the login URL. Step 2, find the username field, clear it, send _keys. Step 3, find the password field, type the password, click submit.
Step 4, WebDriverWait until the dashboard element appears.
Step 5, find _elements on the protected page, extract text.
6 lines. Logged in and data extracted.
Headless mode runs the browser with no visible window. Perfect for servers, scheduled jobs, or running in the background. Add Chrome options to your setup. Options.add_argument. Pass headless equals new to the options. The browser runs invisibly. The output is identical. Headless scrapes are also faster, no rendering overhead.
Production scrapers always run headless.
Mini project, scrape a JavaScript rendered data table. The table only appears after a button click and a loading spinner. Step 1, driver.get the page, wait for the load button.
Step 2, click the button, wait for the table element.
Step 3, find all rows, extract each cell with .text. Step 4, write every row to a CSV with the CSV module.
Impossible with BeautifulSoup. 12 lines with Selenium.
Your challenge.
Automate a Google search and scrape the first 5 result titles.
Step 1, driver.get to google.com. Step 2, find the search input by name equals Q. Type your query. Step 3, send return key using keys.return. Step 4, wait for results. Select all H3 tags. Extract.text.
Bonus, also extract the URL from each result link.
Paste your 5 titles in the comments. Let us recap what you learned today.
WebDriver, launch a real Chrome browser from Python.
Find_element. Locate any element by CSS, ID, or XPath.
Click and send _keys, interact like a human.
WebDriverWait, wait for JavaScript, never time.sleep. Headless Mode, invisible, faster, production ready. EP52 plus EP53, the complete web scraping toolkit. Next episode, Flask. Python stops reading the web and starts serving it. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow.
Selenium, unlocked.
The entire web is now your dataset. WebDriver, find, click, type, wait, headless, all yours.
Next, episode 54, Flask.
Subscribe for the next bonus episode. Tell me which JS heavy site you are going to scrape first.
I am Mahaz. See you in episode 54.